Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube app has suddenly disappeared or shows as disabled, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and reliable fix that works on most Android devices in 2026. No complicated steps, no technical skills needed. Just follow along carefully and you'll get your YouTube app back up and running in just a few minutes. So let's jump straight into it. Go to the phone settings. This is where we locate and fix the hidden or disabled YouTube app. Now, scroll down carefully until you find apps or apps management, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to open the full list of installed applications. Next, at the top, you'll see a search bar. Use it and type YouTube. If the app is disabled, hidden, or stopped, it will still appear here. Once you find YouTube, tap on it to open the app info page. Now look for a button called Enable. If you see it, simply tap it. This will instantly restore the app and bring it back to your home screen. After enabling, you can open YouTube normally and it should work perfectly. However, if you don't find YouTube at all, don't worry. Go to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube and check the result. If you see it, tap Install or Update. In some cases, it may already be installed but needs to be updated or reactivated. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and your phone has enough storage, because sometimes apps don't appear due to system glitches. Finally, restart your phone once after fixing it. This helps refresh system settings and ensures everything runs smoothly. And that's it. Your YouTube app should now be back and working like normal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this.